Today we are using the cross rope, weighted mini jump ropes, and on the rebounder, a little bit of cardio going on. Join me for a quick workout. If you don't have these, that's okay. You can do your own. You can just use your arms, okay, and pretend like you're jumping rope. I have 3 different sizes and I will be trying all 3 sizes today. Come on and join me. All right, just do a health bounce. Core tight, shoulders down, and let's go. Now walk. Little coordination, little balance, challenge. Working the whole body today. This has an app you can use to count the reps. It's optional. Come on, let's go. All right. Now, rest. I like to go backwards. All right, I want to do health bounce and backwards. Works a different part of your arms. Step, touch. Woo! Now I'm going to step off and change. These are quarter. Now I'm going to go to half. The white ones. Get ready for the next song. All right. Yep. Burns 20% more calories. All right, let's go. Working on good metabolism, yes. Breathe. Yes. You're going to feel it in the whole body. And I'm going to switch to backwards. Now I'm going to do a little bounce. Basic bounce. All right, basic bounce. You can also do one arm at a time if you want. All right, here we go. Yeah, cross rope power. I have really noticed my arms starting to get in shape. Come on, ladies over 50, 60. I'm 65. Yeah. All right, slow it down. And I'm going to switch one more time. Woo, fast change, fast change. Come on. 1 pound. Ooh. Quarter, half, and 1. This is the challenge here. Here we go. Get my feet going. I'm gonna step side to side. Oh yeah. I definitely feel these. Woo! Yeah. God's got you. He does. No stress. Woo! Yeah, I'm shining now. Oh yeah. Backwards. Oh, so much fun. Okay, relax. Relax and relax. These right here? Oh yeah, you'll feel it. Push down. Yeah. Stronger every day. That's all I'm doing. Just wanted to show you. Yep. All right, so I have some other ropeless jump ropes with a little ball on them. Those are great too for beginners. But if you want to kick up your game and start seeing some definition in your arms, these are a game changer. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.